This is event number 12, 50-meter backstroke for boys 12 and under. Hit number 1, swimming in lane 1, Bo Sevi Gregory, Oscar School, Manila. Lane 2, Vinyas Uki Mateo of LaSalle Green Hills. Lane 3, Villarino Rafael Jairo of St. Joseph College, Novaliches. Lane 4, Badilla Antonio Miguel of Lourdes School of Mandaluyong. Lane 5, Carino Johan Ray of St. Joseph College, Novaliches. Lane 6, Badilla Anton Luis of Lourdes School of Mandaluyong. And in lane 7, Molina Ryzen Kendrick of Blessed Elena Academy.
The Mairo Inter-School Short Course Swimming Championships NCR Leg is brought to you by Milo Sports, organized by Swim Philippines, co-presented by Bert Lizada Swim School. Major sponsors like Swim, Toy Kingdom, Celine Gomez, Hydro Aid, Antbox, Ampagre. Thank you also to our event partners, Universal Rubina, Subong, Go Swim, One Tagaytay Hotel, Tronics, RCBC, House of Vlogs, Ray's Barbecue, But First Coffee, Go Burger.